Stop scrolling. Are you tired of losing trades, even when the chart looks perfect? You think you're buying at the right spot, then boom, price goes the opposite way and takes your money. What if I told you, big institutions are trapping beginners like you every single day, and 99% of traders have no idea it's happening? Most beginner traders buy at resistance, sell at support, and get trapped in fake breakouts. But what if I show you how big institutions trap retail traders, how they create inducement, and how they grab liquidity before the real move? In this video, I'll break this chart down in the simplest way possible. No complicated words, just clear, smart money logic. If you're serious about becoming profitable, watch this till the end. This might change the way you see the market forever. Now let's understand something very important. Unmitigated point of interest. First, what is a point of interest? It's a price zone where big institutions placed heavy buy or sell orders. This is where smart money entered the market. Now here's the key. When price leaves that zone with strong momentum and never comes back to touch it again, that zone is called unmitigated. Why is it important? Because it means some institutional orders are still left there. The market didn't fully fill them yet. Think like this. Big players don't enter with one click. They enter in parts. If price moves away too fast, some orders remain pending, and later, price often comes back to that same zone to mitigate or complete those orders. In this chart, before the strong bullish move, there was a demand area. Price exploded from that zone without deep pullback. That means it was unmitigated. When price later returned to that zone, buyers stepped in again, and the real bullish move started. So remember this simple rule. Unmitigated POI equals unfinished business of smart money. And smart money always finishes their business. If you learn to spot these zones, you stop chasing price and start trading like institutions. Now the big question, why does price come back to an unmitigated point of interest? Simple answer, because smart money didn't finish their orders. Look at the chart. Price moved away from this zone very strongly. That tells us big institutions entered here. But the move was so fast, not all their orders were filled. So what happens? Later, price comes back to that same zone. Why? To mitigate it. Mitigate means to complete the remaining orders. Think of it like unfinished business. Smart money doesn't leave unfinished business in the market. In this chart, price returned to the unmitigated demand zone. Buyers stepped in again, and the bullish move continued. So remember this, price doesn't return randomly. It returns to complete orders. Unmitigated POI equals unfinished institutional orders. Mitigation equals finishing the job. When you understand this, you stop chasing candles and start waiting at important zones. Now let's talk about minor inducement. First, what is inducement? Inducement means the market creates a small trap to make traders enter in the wrong direction. Now what makes it minor? It's a small, short-term trap inside the bigger structure. Look at the chart. Before the strong bullish move, price made a small pullback. That small pullback looked like the market was going to drop lower. Beginner traders saw that move and thought, okay, market is reversing, let me sell. But that was the trap. Smart money created that small drop to attract sellers and collect their liquidity. Once enough traders sold, price quickly reversed and moved strongly upward. That small fake move is called minor inducement. It is not the main trap. It is a small setup inside the bigger plan. So remember this simple rule. Minor inducement equals small fake move before the real move. When you see a small pullback before a big breakout, don't panic. Ask yourself, is this real reversal or just inducement? If you learn to recognize minor inducement, you stop getting trapped and start trading with the real move. Now let's understand major inducement. If minor inducement is a small trap, major inducement is a big trap. Look at the chart. Before the strong bullish move, Price dropped lower and created a deeper pullback. This move was bigger. It looked real. Many traders believed the market was turning bearish. They started selling. They placed stop losses above recent highs. They felt confident. But that was the plan. Smart money pushed price down on purpose to make traders think the trend changed. Why? To collect liquidity. When traders sell, their stop losses sit above the market. That liquidity is fuel for institutions. After enough traders were trapped, price reversed strongly. That big drop was not a real reversal. It was major inducement. So remember this. Major inducement equals a bigger, more convincing trap before the real move. It shakes out weak buyers. It attracts strong sellers. Then the real bullish move begins. If you see a deep pullback before a breakout, don't react emotionally. Ask yourself, is this a true reversal, or is smart money building fuel? When you understand major inducement, you stop panicking and start thinking like institutions. Now let's talk about something very powerful, buy-side liquidity. First, what is liquidity? Liquidity means stop losses and pending orders in the market. Now, what is buy-side liquidity? It is liquidity sitting above the market. Look at the chart. See those previous highs? See those equal highs? Above those highs, there are stop losses from sellers and breakout buy orders from beginners. That area is called buy-side liquidity. Now here's the important part. Smart money needs liquidity to enter big trades. They cannot enter huge positions randomly. So what do? They push price up toward those highs. When price breaks above them, stop losses get triggered. Breakout traders enter buys. That creates a burst of orders. That burst is liquidity. Institutions use that liquidity to either continue the move or sometimes reverse the market. In this chart, price rallied strongly and swept those highs. That means buy-side liquidity was taken. So remember this, highs are not resistance only, they are liquidity pools. When you see equal highs, don't just think breakout. Ask yourself, is price going there to continue or to grab liquidity first? When you understand buy-side liquidity, you stop being the fuel for smart money and start trading with them. Now let's talk about the most important part, how to execute the buy trade. Step 1. Price comes back to the unmitigated demand zone. This is our point of interest. We don't enter immediately, we wait. Step 2. Inside that zone, price creates inducement. Small fake drops. Weak hands start selling. That tells us liquidity is being collected. Step 3. We wait for confirmation. What confirmation? A strong bullish displacement candle, a break of short-term structure. That tells us buyers are now in control. Now we execute. Entry, after the bullish structure break. Stop loss, below the demand zone. Target, previous highs where buy-side liquidity is resting. Simple logic. We buy from value, we protect below structure, we target liquidity. In this chart, price respected the zone, created inducement, broke structure, and then rallied to take buy-side liquidity. That is not random, that is planned movement. So remember this, don't chase breakouts. Don't buy in the middle. Wait for price to come to you. Wait for confirmation, then execute with confidence. That's how institutions trade, and that's how you level up. So now you understand the full setup. Unmitigated POI, inducement, liquidity, and proper buy execution. This is how smart money moves. If this video helped you see the market differently, don't just watch and leave. Hit the like button. It tells me you want more deep content like this. Comment below. Tell me what concept you want next. I read every single comment. Share this video with your trading friends, because most traders are still stuck in fake breakouts. And if you're serious about becoming profitable, subscribe to Discount Trader. Here, we don't gamble. We don't chase. We trade with logic. Join the family. Level up your mindset, and let's grow together. I'll see you in the next one.